How to remove followers from your Twitter? Let's begin with the video. First thing first, begin by launching the X app on your mobile device. Once you're in, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner of the screen. This will open your side menu. From here, click on your profile to access your main profile page. Now tap on the followers count to open a full list of people who currently follow your account. Here, look through the list and find the follower you want to remove. Once you spot them, tap on their name to open their profile. Here comes the important step. Click on the three dot icon at the top right of their profile. Then select remove this follower. However, if you are not seeing this option, another method is to block them. Then immediately unblock them. This removes them from your follower list without notifying them. Finally, the person you selected has now been removed from your followers on Twitter. And that's it. This is how to remove followers from your Twitter.